Hey, I want you to want something in the air like this. Want it in the air like this. Uba, 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 Sure. 1, 2, 3, everybody sing. It's run to the left, go to the right, run to the left, run, shut down, Korea, to shut down, 7 drop that shit.
Yo. Boom. 13th August, Acoli is on fire. Frisco DJ, alongside
Joel DJ. I'm telling you, 13th this Saturday, we shall be live with DJ 60. We are working this Saturday. Ladies and gentlemen, turn up. Boom.
Big up everyone who's going to be around, you know. It's going to be a mashup thing. Hit after hit. We got a lot of performances coming up. Navio.
And many more.
Winnie Nuaji.
And many more.
Control Lavabo, Eddie Weezy, and many more.
Rolling.
Hey, what's up? This is your boy DJ Frisco, your girlfriend's favorite DJ. Remember, 25th December, Christmas Day, will be represented massively at Acoli Inn alongside Pine Avenue 5. We'll be alongside DJ Seeker for Puss. Man, the lineup is just so mad. Crazy artists, the Smoky Allans, mentioned by a few. Man, big up to the CEO himself, Mr. CEO, Pine Avenue 5. Thanks for making this happen. We're gonna mash up that day. Peace, love, and harmony. Straight up.
DJ Joel Fresh. Yeah. The rise of DJ Joel Fresh. The rise of DJ Joel Fresh and DJ Frisco is what I'm going to talk about in this video. For any artist or anybody to rise up and be somehow extraordinary, the person might have done something very special. Now, matter of fact, DJ Joel Fresh and DJ Frisco are the top 2 DJs in northern Uganda. DJ Joel Fresh! Possibly one of the best in Uganda. The duo have set some parallel distinct kind of presentation both on stage and off the stage. It is not comparable with other generations of DJs, and I think they're inspiring something special in the game of DJs in our land.
Listen, church boys, church girls, where are you? Praise the Lord! Party animals, where are you? Make some noise! Where are you? Yeah,
now, before I get into the reason as to why we're looking at DJ Joel Fresh and DJ Frisco as those who are the cream, allow me to say something, and that is DJ Joel Fresh and DJ Frisco deserves Luo Hall of Fame. They are really legends, despite not taking too long in the industry. Their style alone, they have changed the game. We believe they should be also getting something good from their profession. And also, as these good DJs, the special things that DJ Joel Fresh and DJ Frisco brought into the industry is the heart. The idea of coming on stage like DJ Khaled, to first jump, dance. You saw that one when they did it in I Survived Peace and Love concert for Easy the Lyrical. You also saw it when they did it in Obinen concert for Patula Boy. You know that they always mix, and the kind of samples that they make on songs like the Dong music you realize that it is just dope. So the special thing that they brought is the stage act. Going to dance, removing the chest, jumping, greeting each other, knocking the feet. That is the kind of act. Because in a party, in a show, in a dance hall, you need to realize that you have to make the people happy. You need to act. So now, in addition also, these guys have developed the attitude of knowing the latest songs both within and outside. That is the importance of internet. You need to have the internet to match up the demand of the DJ world. And also, lastly, these two DJs have managed to combat something very special in the industry. They have come up with a kind of sound engineering technique in as far as mashup is concerned, a special kind of mashup. When DJ Joel Fresh is on stage, DJ Frisco is on stage, and MC Lucky, wow, I don't know if anybody would wish that part to end. So, to summarize, DJ Joel Fresh and DJ Frisco are more of a MC than DJ. For DJ Joel Fresh, I bet he can even challenge many MCs in being the MC. So, that's all about these great DJs.